Hi guys, so this chicken curry sauce will blow your mind and I want you to learn how to make it. Oh yeah, get some chicken and then lightly marinate with all your favorite spices and then set it aside to marinate. While it is marinating, you are also going to be needing some corn flour to thicken the sauce. Okay, so after you are done marinating the chicken for as long as you want, you can then start to fry your chicken. Just lightly stir fry your chicken for a few minutes. Now add some water to extract stock and then set them both aside. Now place your pan on medium heat and then fry together your minced ginger, some onions, your curry, thyme, and your veggies and peppers as well. This is a curry sauce, so please don't be stingy with your curry, okay? So pour back the chicken pieces, the stock, and then cover and leave to boil for a while. By now your neighbors should know that you're cooking something because this sauce is so easy, it is so simple, and it is very tasty. I hope you get to try this. Okay, bye guys.